DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo Drone with Camera Small Gray Ultralight and Folding Design 3-Axis Gimbal Ultra 4K Video. Easy to fly on a light trip, the DJI Mini 2 is surprisingly light and weighs less than 199 grams. It's lighter than an apple and is about the size of a palm. Compact and easy to use, the Mini 2 is the perfect tool to capture your favorite moments as an essential tool to make your trip enjoyable. 3-axis gimbal with 4K camera, you can shoot 4K 30fps videos with a 12MP camera, and the Mini 2 with a gimbal with a 3-axis motor guarantees smooth and excellent image quality matter how aggressive you fly. OcuSync 2.0 video transmission, Mini 2 supports HD video transmission of up to 6 kilometers and has excellent interference resistance, so you can fly farther and check clear images. Powerful performance, the DJI Mini 2 has a battery life of up to 18 minutes, giving you plenty of time to compose the perfect shot. It can withstand wind speeds of 29 to 38 km/h and can fly up to an altitude of 3,000 meters, so the image is stable even when taking aerial shots on windy coastlines or dense and high mountains. 4x zoom, you don't have to get close to the ideal shot. Quick shot, DJI Mini 2 automatically records and shoots videos that look like they were shot by a professional with just a few taps. You can share it immediately on SNS. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced expert, the DJI Fly app lets you create impressive videos with BGM and filters.